Yeah, I'm recording.
Hey, young world, it's Lydia. So, did y'all catch Lion Crest live this morning? It was a whole vibe. Oh my goodness, look at that lizard. So I'm putting this plastic out here to go ahead and get ready to harvest my sweet potatoes. I have 3 different types of sweet potatoes growing, and these 2 right here are like a purple sweet potato and a white sweet potato, or a white yam and a purple yam. And then I have some sweet potatoes in my garbage can that I'm gonna harvest for you guys right quick. All right, so stay tuned and check me out, and let's see what we get. It's ready. Oh, and my antler ears, they ain't never do nothing. They didn't go up the antler ears or nothing like that, but get a close-up night before I go out there. Look at that lizard. He's like a dinosaur. He's going right over there. Nice. Come on, you know you got to.
What'd you think of?
Alright, so I didn't feed this. I didn't do any of that. I didn't do anything. Really? Didn't even make it up there. What? Gotcha.
Put that near me. Ooh. Ah. That a piece of glass? You left a piece. Ooh. Ah. Ooh.
What is that?
What is that? Ah.
Naya.
What? I'm trying to sound enthusiastic.
That's how you try to sound enthusiastic? You need to stick with doing something else.
Wow.
You want to come down and get closer to the soil, or
No, honestly.
you got deep, good footing?
Yeah.
And this is the purple sweet potato. So, still was creating tubers too, y'all. Keep in mind, I am gonna save some of these and over the winter inside the home. I didn't know that last year, but I know this year. Okay, Rapunzel, let down your hair so we can grow the golden. Y'all, it's a lot. I'll bring y'all the final harvest of that one in a minute. And it's more in here. So I don't have that much space. So let me go to the next one. Okay.
Oh! Trying to attack me?
This the antler is. I don't play no games.
Mmm.
Oh, a lizard popped out. That's probably the same lizard that came over here with this. This is a white yam. I bought this yam from Florida, I think. Not 100%, because they looking like the same color.
They look purple. Is there anything in there? Day and night.
Uh-oh. It looks like I got 1.
2.
Oh, two? It looks like I got two, y'all. And this one, come close tonight. This one, oh, I don't like the way that look. This one is suspect. But this one right here. Oh, it's rotten! That one was rotten. They were creating tubers. Like I said, I didn't really do nothing to keep it alive or do anything special. But I'll try again next year because sweet potatoes are pretty good.
Oh, you missed it. Oh, yeah, I blocked the camera.
Well, thank you, Naya. Alright, so they look the same, but I don't think these two the same. Alright, so let's head over to my Lion Crest inspired raised bed. So this is the one I needed my husband help with because this is pretty heavy. Now one time before when I wasn't ready to harvest, I looked in there and I could see a yam poking out. It had more vines, but I put more soil in there and it looked like it died back. Let's see what we got.
Oh, it died.
Alright, young world, so doing the best we can. Here's the rest of these potatoes. The sun is out. Wake up to some cool mornings here. And well, I'm jumping already. It's still growing like crazy. Stink bugs in here. But these have been in here over 100 days. My biggest concern is that ants are in here. So I'm gonna pour these out. Oh yeah, these some more of my free containers. It's a landscaping company near my house. And they how you doing? What is it? Oh. You see? They've been living their best life. Alright, let's hurry up before they wake them up. You want to come over this side, Ryan? Or you want me to dump it?
Dump it.
I can't lift it. I can't lift it.
Bend your knees.
That ain't gonna help me.
Okay, I got it.
Oh, you think you bad? Bend your knees.
Yeah, I got it, man. Some bean bags, I got it.
You got it?
No, I don't.
You don't? Bend your knees. Oh, it is too heavy. Alright, so we're gonna have to rig up this camera and do it together. Kind of good. Let me go back so. Okay, that's good. Where you going with it? You ready? No, I got nothing. Okay, I got this now, this pole. Ready? Set, knee! Now look. Whew. Where's my little thing at?
Listen, that one right?
Oh, you can see if it's recording.
tossing ants everywhere?
We got a few. I don't think it's gonna be many. And this is all native soil. No.
Fertilizer.
No, definitely not that. Got about enough to make. Yeah. I did better my first year, that's for sure.
Just tossing them ants around, ain't it?
Huh?
I'm just tossing them ants around, ain't it?
They on me?
I don't know. You just broke up one of the hives. It was like ants pouring out of this one clunk you just took out.
All right. So that's my harvest. I'm still happy. Next year I will be going directly in the ground. I like the way they look when I went directly in the ground. It was a lot more work to get them up, but the harvest was so great. And those potatoes had, you know, that earth to dig around in. In the container, maybe they were just confused a little bit. All right, I'm going to show you my harvest in total. And other than that, I'm well, my family's well, and I hope that you're well too. Have a great rest of your day or night. Thank you.
Songwriter. I can't see